The latest evolution in the floor covering industry is the flooring in LVT, a floating vinyl flooring with a simple click system. Easy, fast, resistant, waterproof. Why choose our LVT? This product has numerous benefits. To start, Thailand Style's LVT vinyl floorings feature, thanks to their 0.55 mm protective surface layer, a high wear resistance. This also makes them perfect for commercial premises, which are characterized by high foot traffic. They are very resistant, but at the same time provide an incredible feeling of softness and coziness, which stoneware tiles or other types of floorings cannot convey. Another advantage of this flooring is its high acoustic insulation. In fact, thanks to its integrated sound-absorbing mat, it significantly reduces impact noise. Thanks to this integrated mat, it is possible to glue the product to the ground, preventing the floor from deforming and allowing it to be installed in more difficult areas such as supermarkets and bar counters. LVT flooring is 100% waterproof. The clever and easy click system prevents the penetration of water through the joints of the slats. It is extremely easy to maintain and 100% recyclable. Installing this product is very simple. You will only need a cutter, a measuring tape, a level and a rubber mallet. First, you will need to thoroughly clean the laying surface. Then you will have to check with a level that the floor has no slopes. After unboxing the LVT, mix the different slats for a better graphic variety. Measure the room and mark with a pencil on the floor where you will go to lay the slats. Begin to assemble the first slats, keeping 4 to 5 mm distance from the wall. Then continue to assemble the other slats, cutting with a simple cutter those that you need in a smaller size. The ease of cutting also allows installation in challenging areas such as columns or corners. Hammer the joints with a rubber mallet to assure yourself that the click system is closed well. If you need to replace a slab, the process will be quick and easy to do with just a corkscrew. You won't have to dismantle the other slabs. The final result will be surprising, aesthetically pleasant, and with an astonishing texture.